O Allah, most merciful and most kind, we ask you to bless our family with love, happiness, and unity. Grant us understanding and patience with each other, and fill our hearts with compassion and forgiveness. O Allah, let our home be a place of peace and warmth, filled with your blessings and guidance. Protect us from any harm, from envy, and from the evil eye. Shield us from all forms of misfortune, and surround us with your protection, O Protector. Grant us good health, strength, and resilience to face all of life's challenges together. Help us support one another in times of hardship, and keep us united in times of ease. Guide us to be good examples for one another in faith and in character. O Allah, make our love for each other a source of comfort and joy, and let our relationships be rooted in kindness and mercy. We ask you, O Allah, to guide our children and loved ones on the straight path. Protect their hearts and minds, and keep them steadfast in their faith. Help us to raise them with wisdom and to instill good values in their hearts. Make us grateful for each other, and help us recognize and appreciate the blessings you have given us. O Allah, we place our family in your care. Surround us with your angels, and make our home a place where your remembrance is present. Grant us success in this life and the next, and reunite us in Jannah, together as a family, under your mercy. Ameen.